Alright guys, here's another flashlight that I bought off of banggood.com. It's going to be a xanes wt518. Includes this adapter here that's not even made for the flashlight. Flashlight will come in a plain Jane box. It includes some bubble wrap around the flashlight and includes the charger. The switch will be on the side. There's going to be a zoomable flashlight. Similar to all those as seen on TV ones. Threads are nice and smooth. I have an 18650 battery here we'll throw in. Turn it on. As you can see, you can zoom. Switch glows when you turn the flashlight on. It's going to be a high, medium, and a strobe. Also hold on the tail cap, then it turns into a SOS mode. Flashlight costs about $5 off of banggood.com. Good enough to throw in the car in case of you have to change a tire.